Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have another makeup transformation for you guys. Today I'll be transforming my little sister from this beautiful before to this ultra glam amazing after. So the look we're really going for today is a smoky eye look, one that's super glam yet so subtle that you can wear during the day and night time. So I'll be starting off by doing her hair. Guys, quick disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I'm very bad at doing hair, but I thought it would be amazing to include raw footage of her in her raw form and show you guys every step of the transformation. So the hair I'll be using today is from a company called Yiroo hair, and this is their water wave texture. This hair is really beautiful. It really complemented the look and it really pulled it together. However guys, the frontal of this hair did shed a lot, so that was a tad bit annoying. And now onto the makeup. I am starting off with a clean canvas and I am priming her face with the L'Oreal Infallible Primer, and I'm buffing that in with a buffer brush that I got from eBay. Guys, a majority of the brushes that I'm going to be using today are from eBay. eBay brushes are phenomenal and they're so affordable. I have a video on this and I will include it in the description box below. So if you haven't seen it already, I definitely recommend that you go check that out. So guys, this part of the makeup tutorial is one that I'm very excited to share with you guys. I literally just learnt this trick myself. As you can see, I am concealing underneath the brows and I'm pulling this down onto the eyelid and using it as a eyeshadow base, and also the concealer has instantly lifted the brows and also has actually made the brows look like they've been filled in already and there's no product in those brows. This trick is amazing and I definitely recommend that you guys try it out because it has literally helped me as a makeup artist, and also for myself. I'm obsessed with this technique. And now onto the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going in with the shade Raw Sienna to really warm up the crease, and I'm also going to go in with Burnt Orange and Real Girl on the outer crease to give that outer crease a very orange warm transition before I go in with the darker shades. This part is very important when it comes to a smoky eye. Don't just go straight in with a dark shade or a black, as this will really give you a very, not a very smoked out effect, and it can be quite loud and actually distract you from the details and also the beauty of the eye look. Now I'm going in with a dark brew from my MAC Warm Neutral palette. I'm going to use this to darken the crease section and also prep the base for the darker shade that is coming, so that there's a nice blend. And I'm really going to take my time to blend this out as I don't want any harsh lines. And for the base colour, I'll be going in with MAC's Dance in the Dark. I prefer to use a dark brown shade when it comes to a smoky eye rather than a black, because I just feel like it looks better and it's also easier to blend. But that does not mean you can't use a black. You can always go over this with a black if you want your eye look to be more intense. But I do want this look to be more wearable during the day and also wearable for night, so multi-purpose. That's why I did use a dark brown, but nonetheless it works either way. Here I'm using a wet wipe just to clear all the loose shadow that has fell underneath her eyes, and I'm now lining her top lash line with some black eyeshadow. I'm not going to be using a liquid eyeliner or drawing a wing liner, simply because I don't feel like this look needs it. And now I'm lining her waterline with the Kylie Cosmetics Kyliner in black. I really love this pencil because to me it's almost like a smolder pencil, in the sense that it's very easy to blend and smoke out, and also it's a very black, which is never a bad thing. And this step is pretty much optional. I'm just using a bit of concealer to also clear up underneath her eyes and also cover her dark circles, but we will be going over that with concealer anyways. So yeah, I don't know, it was just a a fun step, I guess. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 410. I really love this foundation. Before I was a bit skeptical about it, but now I really love it. It mimics skin, and yet it just gives a very matte, flawless look. It is quite hard to blend out, but you just have to keep on blending and also use patting motions to get the desired look that you are after. And now going in with my favorite concealer of all time, the LA Girl Concealer. I'm using Cool Tan to brighten underneath her eyes and also contour her face. I'm using a rather small brush rather than the usual sponge to really blend this all out, because I want everything to be pretty precise, and this look is about detail, so I'm really focusing on that. But I do go in with a smaller sponge just to blend everything out and make it seem more seamless. After this, I use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark to blend everything out and really set out her face. Oh my goodness guys, so I tried this new product today. This is the Morphe Baking Powder, and I absolutely detest it. It was really hard to like blend out, and usually baking powders are supposed to be very translucent and also give like a flawless finish. This powder really had a thick ashy finish to it, which was very hard to work with. But once I used my Studio Fix all over her face, I literally drenched her face in it. It reduced all the ashiness, and yeah, it worked for me in the end, but I wouldn't recommend this product. But now I'm just using my Sleek Contour Kit in Dark to really contour and snatch her face. Luckily she has quite defined features, so I didn't really need to do much. And now I'm just smoking out the underneath of her eyes and kind of setting the eyeliner that I applied previously, just to make the look more smoky. As you guys can see here, just look at how hard it is for me to blend this out, and it's just giving a white cast. And yeah, but you will see how the Studio Fix Fix Plus, sorry, just yeah, it just removed the ashiness. So thank you MAC for this amazing product. And now the highlight I'll be using is from Black Up. This is their Sublime Poudre highlight, I believe. I love this highlight because it's subtle yet so glowy, and it gives you a lovely natural glow. And I also use the highlight to brighten the inner tear ducts of her eyes. And now I'm going in with my favourite mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This mascara is really good because it really picks up the little hairs. And for the brows, I'll be using my LA Girl Retractable Brow Pencil in medium brown. Because of this amazing technique of the concealer underneath your brows prior, I really don't need to do much. I'm literally just filling in all the parts of the brows that are a bit sparse, and I'm also defining the brows just a little bit more than they already are. The technique of highlighting the brows prior really removes the amount of work you have to put into your brows. So I definitely recommend that you guys try this technique, or at least, you know, practice it and see if it works for you, because everyone's brows is different. So yeah, but I absolutely love this technique. So for the lips, I'll be using Limecrime's Salem on the outer part of her lip to really line her lip, but I also bring this a bit inward to give it a nice blend when I do apply Celebrity Skin, which is the lightest shade, on the inside of her lips. And I tell my client to always smack their lips together, because instead of you blending it out, once you smack your lip together, it actually gives a very nice transition. So it's like a yeah, there we go. So it actually just does it for itself. So I always recommend that you smack your lip together. The eyelashes that I am using are from Aliexpress. I will be doing a video on this, so you guys stay tuned for that. And that is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. It really helps me a lot. And also let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber already, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you can be alerted every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a happy, wondrous, blessed, fun-filled new year. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.